In this tutorial, we're gonna make our PHP codes cleaner. Because if we use function and action codes in main PHP file it will be like shit, and we should write in action code many times. If you don't understand, then let's start. First, we should create a PHP file for our functions. Pay attention. You should create this file in inc folder. Now we need one more PHP file and that's for our action codes, then let's create it. Now require once function and action files in the config file. Look at this picture, this is how require once code is working. And don't forget to require once config file in the action and function file. Now let's make a new function for the register system. You should access to the database then use this code. Now follow me, I don't know how to explain what am I doing. In here I said if this query worked correctly, return true, and if it's not, return false. That means if it works show me a success message and if it's not, show me an error message. Now cut all existing codes to our action file, these are our actions. And copy our function to action and, yep, it's done. Now we can test our register system again. Yes, it's working, you see? Now we have clean and beautiful codes and a beautiful project. Now I'm gonna do this to our login system too, then let's go. I'm not gonna explain this time, because I know you got it. If this function worked correctly I want to get a success message, but if it's not, show us an error message. Okay, we're done. As you can see, our codes are cleaner than before, but let's test the login system too. Do you think it will work? Yes it is. Okay guys, thank you for being with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any problem you can write in the comments, I will solve it. I love you guys. See you in the next video.